I'm Andrew, and we are going to do a Prodigy problem. The problem is a triangle has a non-hypotenuse length of A equals 3 inches and B equals 4 inches. We are going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean Theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We are going to substitute the A squared to a 3 squared, and we're going to substitute the B squared to a 4 squared, which equals C squared. And 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared is 16. That will equal C squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. I'm going to take the square root of 25 and the square root of C squared. The square root of 25 is 5. The square root of C is squared. It's just C. So 5 will equal C. The hypotenuse is 5 inches. Thank you for watching.